In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a front plate bracket on a RAV4 located on the front bumper. So there are two mounting screws. They're plastic screws, and it's a 10mm head for a socket or a Phillips screwdriver. We'll remove them. So you can create your own holes if the bumper is new. And what you want to do is, you have two little dimples here from the factory. That's pretty normal. Line those up with the plate brackets and create your own holes if you need to self-start. Just go with the center of the symbol of the front grille, and then you can just, if you're self-starting, then you would just put it on and push and let it bottom out. And now you're all set to mount the plate. Note that these are bolt thread, not screws. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.